Hi all, good morning, good evening. So this is the lecture number 3 of Python course and welcome back to our lecture number 3 of Python. So in this lecture we are going to cover some topics like Python Booleans and Python operators. So this is our agenda for this video. So let's begin. So Python Booleans. Booleans represent Booleans represent represent one of the two values, true or false. Okay, Boolean means true or false. In programming, you have often seen like that. You have often seen, or you need to know if an expression is true or false. You can evaluate this by you can evaluate any expression in Python and can get one of the two answers, true or false. When you compare two values, the expression is evaluated and Python returns the Boolean answer. Example we have here that 10 greater than 9. Print 10 is equals to 9. It will check if it is true, it will print true. If it is not true, it will print false. This only it will come. Now Python Boolean. When you run a condition in an if statement, Python returns the true or false. Example, print a message based on whether the condition is true or false. A, which is equals to 200, and B is equals to 33. Here we have condition if B is greater than A, print B is greater than A, else print B is not greater than A. So this is the things you need to understand. Now Python Boolean we have most values are trues. Almost any value in it is evaluated to be true if it has some sort of content. Any string is true except empty strings. If the number is true except 0. And in this point you need to note as it is asked in interviews also. So this point the three topics. Any list, tuple, set, and dictionary is are true except empty ones. The following will return true. Bool ABC, bool 1 2 3, bool apple, cherry, banana. Next we have most. Oh, this is repeated the same. Huh. One more value or object in this case evaluates to false, and that is if you have an object that is made from a class with a len function. Len, this is a len function uh, that returns 0 or false. Example, we have defined a class, my class. Def len function we have used, and we have defined in the bracket self. Here it will return 0. My object is equals to my class, print bool my object. So you can practice this also, and the technical part of this will come in the next video. So please stay tuned. Please stay tuned to this video. Okay. So now we have Python booleans. Functions can return a boolean. You can create a function that returns a boolean value. Example, we have print the answer of a function. Def, we have a my function, return true. Print my function. We have defined a definition. This we will learn in the next video. Definition in the upcoming videos I will teach you. Okay. So you can execute a code based on the boolean answer of a function. Print yes if it if the function returns true or otherwise print no. Def my function return true if my function print yes, else print no. Python also has many built-in functions that return boolean value, like is instance function that which can be used to determine if an object or is certain data type. Check if an object is an integer or not. X is 200 is in stage x comma int. So what you need to check here, if this x value is, which is 200, it is integer or not. This only. So now we have next topic, which is Python operators. In Python operators are the special symbols or keywords used to perform operation on variables and values. Python supports a wide variety of operators, and they can be grouped into several categories based on the type of of the operation they perform. So like you have seen some operation like plus minus. This is the four types: plus, minus, divide, multiplication. This four we have learned in the junior classes. Okay, and now in the we have four types of operators here. Arithmetic operator. Next is comparison or relational operator. And next is logical operator, and we have assignment operator. Okay, so this is these four operators we will learn about in this in detail. So first we have arithmetic operator: plus, minus, addition, subtraction, multiplication. This is the sign of division. Till here we know what are these, but after this we don't know what are these. Like we have here floor division. In this, the decimal value not be printed in the floor division. Modulus or remainder. In this, remainder will be printed. What remainder is left, and then this exponential value will be printed. Means two times two two thousand three times two we have here. So this is the comparison operator we have here. You can just read as we have here equal to. I will define these in the next session, like equal to, not equal to, for, which is not equal to, okay, greater than. These are the operators. Here we have the operators, and this is the description about them. You can just read them as they and or not these operators. Okay, this is the assignment operator which assigns the value, like plus. This will be used in our this will be used in our doing like making projects and anything. So this will be used. You can see here. So thanks for watching our channel, and that's all for today. You can just read this assignment operators. Or if you like, some people says they have a problem in logical operator. So like, let me explain this one. I will choose red color. Okay. So this assignment we have three assignments operators: and, or, and not. description, it returns true if both are true. If the both values are true, then it will return true. Like I have a value 3 and oh no, not like this. I will show you. Like I have a value like this. 3. What is happening? Yeah, 3 plus 4, and I will show you this in the next session as it is difficult type here. So I will show you the next this in the. I can just explain this return true if at least one. In this or case, we if one value, we have two values. If one value is true, it will return true, and in the not function reverses the boolean value. If it is false, it will return true, and it is true, it will return false, not true. And in assignment operator, you can see we have equal to here, plus equal to. This makes the code little bit short and makes us to assign, makes us easy to understand it, as it is complicated, but it is easy for us. A plus is equals to 1, so a is defined as a plus 1. A minus is equals to 1, so a is equals to a minus 1. A into is equals to 2. So this is all we have for today. So thank you and thanks for watching our channel. So that's all for today. Thank you.
Please subscribe my channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook.